Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 17th chapter, that is the pollution of air and water. So in previous videos already we have discussed about that air pollution and its prevention and water pollution and how to purification of the water already have discussed in the previous videos. But students, today we are going to discuss about some special factors, special things, that is what is that some special important rivers which are flowing in the India. So that is, we know that very famous popular river, that is the Ganga and Yamuna. So you know that Ganga is one spiritual river and for the Indians, okay, and Yamuna also. So we believe that it is very popularity and also spiritually and emotionally that rivers we are thinking about on that rivers. So this Ganga, it is coming from that Himalayas and it is falling on the Bay of Bengal. And same like Yamuna also, another one river, which one Yamunitri, it is coming from that and it is mixing with the Allahabad, so with the Ganga. It is one tribute of the Ganga. Okay. So students, we will first of all will discuss what is that Ganga river, how much cities, how much towns are it is overcrossing, and how it is the polluting, and what are the actions against about that, how to make that actions about that by the government have taken that actions. We have to see this in this video. So look at here students, cases studied that Ganga action plan. River Ganga runs that is roads its course over the 2500 kilometer. The Ganga river runs about that 2500 kilometer from Gangotri in Himalayas to Gangasagar in the Bay of Bengal. That means from the Ganga is starting from the Himalayas, that is Gangotri, that place is Gangotri. From that Gangotri originated and it runs up to Bay of Bengal, that is called as Gangasagar. It is reached at the Gangasagar of Bay of Bengal. Through 628 cities of India, it is crossing, and also 48 towns. Okay, when it is routing, it is flowing from the Gangotri to Gangasagar of Bay of Bengal. That means near about that how much 628 cities and 48 towns are overcrossing. It is a river which people of India are spiritual and emotional attached. Which one that spiritual? We are thinking that is one famous, and we are believing that that is one gift God by the gods. And in the year 1985, the Ganga Action Plan was launched by the government of India in collaboration with the Department of the Environment under the chairmanship of the Prime Minister. In that 1985, there was a plan settled by that government of India, and what is that which is related? It is by the chairmanship of the our Indian Prime Minister, and it was. That office, that link, it was plan was linked to that our what is that our environment department. So how that the Ganga river will become clean, and it will be protect from that pollutants, that against about that there is one plan was settled. So that is called as a Ganga Action Plan. Okay, it was launched by 1985 by the chairmanship of India Prime Minister. Okay, so thereafter it is actually that Ganga river, how it is polluting. The major source, what is the major cause of the pollution of Ganga river are municipal sewage. You know that whatever that municipal sewage cannot connected to that river, if the 628 cities and 48 towns are nearby that, then that towns all link connected to that Ganga rivers. Whatever the sewage canals are, all are that connected to that Ganga river. Next, what is that? Second one is the industrial wastage. When it is crossing these towns and industries, they are developed in that beach of that Ganga sides. Okay, so that's why what happen whenever that is waste products or waste chemicals, all that pipelines with it, they are sending to that Ganga rivers. So that's why by that way also Ganga river is getting polluted. Runoff from solid wastes, garbage dump and some solid wastes, if the animals died, or the garbage or that waste products are leaves, plants, wherever it is flowing to that Ganga. And disposal of half burnt and unburnt dead bodies and animal carcass. So if suppose unwanted woods are there, or unwanted there are some suppose animals like that, human beings if you have, or somebody if you have died, if you are burning, half burning also you are throwing to the Ganga river. Okay, so that's why it is becoming that what polluted. Often defecation and cattle are. So that means what I mean, where all cattle are there keeping that Ganga and washing and cleaning that, throwing that and washing, and also if that dead body will die also we are throwing that in the Ganga, and also defecation, open defecation we are sitting in the Ganga river, beach of the Ganga river. So next Yamuna action plan, same like friends, how like the Ganga river, same like the Yamuna also one purest and very what is that emotional faith is attachment to this Yamuna. This Yamuna is a major tributary rivers Ganga with a total length of 1,370 kilometers. 1,370 kilometers length it was flowing. Okay, it starts from Yamunotri and Uttarakhand and it flows through the states of Delhi, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. These three states with it is flowing, and before merging or mixing with the Ganga at Allahabad. So before it is Allahabad near, it is mixing with the Ganga. Before that it is cross over in the three states. Okay, and it is one of the most polluted rivers in the world. It is one of the most polluted rivers in the world because it is mixing all that sewage, all that polythenes, all that whatever that waste disposal things are they are throwing to the rivers, and all industrial pipelines are connected to that Yamuna, and in Delhi all the sewage canals, all that it is connected to that also. What is that? Yamuna rivers. Okay, so nowadays Yamuna cleaning actions they have state government and central government also they have taken. So it is day by day it is going to clean. Okay, now we will discuss about the Bhopal gas tragedy. You know that Bhopal gas tragedy, it is very sadful things when that in 1984 at that time what happened in Bhopal gas tanks, whatever it is leakage. That means that carbide union tank was there, that it was leakage over. Due to that, what is that? Our poisonous methyl isocyanate leakage overing. So methyl isocyanate means that is generally the carbide tanks, and which one made that more dangerous for that portion of the human beings. And near about 3 lakhs more people they have died due to this leakage of the chemicals. Okay, so friends, till now also 3 generations have passed also. Till now also that reactions or that effect is running now. Due to that leakage of the reactions, so many diseases now like what is that, breathing infection and breathing problems, and our dysentery, hormone growth, all that blindness, that such types of disease till now it is affecting, and that reaction is going on. So students, it has completed your chapter as well as your syllabus. So next tomorrow onwards you have to do revision for upcoming your annual exams. Okay students, the second term you have to write. So get ready for that, and as soon as I will send that your exercise part, question answer, and you have to complete and you have to read and get prepared for the exams. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day. Wish you all the best.